Hello, my name's Stanley. Sometimes you need to discard the unnecessary and focus on the essentials. In trading, I've made my strategy with the shaft trend cycle and the Donchian channels as simple and effective as possible. These indicators provide only the most necessary signals that really help determine when to make a trade. I'll tell you how to minimize noise on the chart and make trades not intuitively, but according to clear rules, following the signals of these tools. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel and liking this video. My name's Stanley. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the workspace. I choose classic candles. The time frame is 30 seconds. Let's go to the Indicators tab and select the shaft trend cycle and the Donchian channels. Let's configure the Donchian channels indicator first. Set period to 10. And next we go to Style, turn off top and bottom. Set the background to white. Set the width of middle to 2 and move opacity to the right and save. Let's configure the shaft trend cycle indicator. Set the cycle length to 5. Set the slow length to 20. Let's set the fast length to 10. And go to Style. Let's set main line to orange and set width to 2. Set lines 75 and 25 to width 2 and move opacity to the right and save. So the indicators are ready to go, and friends, if you trade on your phones, set them up the same way. First trading situation. The expiration time is 2 minutes and I'm opening a short trade for $500. Now I'll explain in detail how to apply this strategy in practice. The first signal comes from the Donchian channels indicator. The candles have crossed the orange line from top to bottom. This signals the possible start of a downtrend and indicates a market decline. The second signal comes from the shaft trend cycle indicator. The orange line has crossed the turquoise line from top to bottom, confirming that the trend is indeed downward. This intersection confirms the continuation of the movement in the same direction and reinforces the confidence that the market will move downward. Together, these two signals create a strong basis for opening a trade in a downward direction. And we have a result here. The first trade is in the black. There's a profit of $460. So, let's move on to the next entry point. If you want to be among those who receive fresh analytics and the best strategies every day, please join my Telegram channel. Here we discuss current topics and support each other in trading. And if something is not clear in this video, feel free to ask a question. The link to the channel is in the description, so please come and grow with us. On Telegram, you will always find fresh tips and strategies for confident trading, so please join while it's still free. Here's a confident signal. The expiry time is 2 minutes and I'm opening a long trade for $1,000. The chart shows some excellent movement, and the signals from the indicators fully confirm the current actions, which reinforces confidence in the correctness of the chosen strategy and direction. Earlier, the chart showed a long downward movement, but now the candles and indicators are beginning to show a trend reversal. This is clear evidence that the trend is ready to change direction, and we are likely to see a continuation of the movement in a new upward direction. Given the current situation on the chart and the confirming signals from the indicators, I'm pretty confident that the trend will continue, and this opens up excellent opportunities for profit. All factors indicate that the market will move in the right direction, making this the perfect moment to enter. Let's see. Another win. The profit was $920. Let's keep going. Next opportunity. The expiration time is 2 minutes. I'm opening a short trade for $1,500. All conditions are met and the chart is behaving exactly as expected. This is an excellent entry point as all signals confirm the correctness of the chosen strategy. I'm currently observing a local sideways movement, and based on the current situation, I assume that the candles will soon break out of this range downwards. Usually, such sideways phases serve to accumulate energy before a strong movement, and in this case, I expect that the downward breakout will lead to a continuation of the downtrend. This creates excellent conditions for making a profit, and I'm confident that the market will continue to move in this direction. All signals and current dynamics support this forecast, which increases the likelihood of a successful outcome. Friends, if you still have questions after watching this video, be sure to send me a private message on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. Great! The profit is $1,380. Let's move on. Excellent trading opportunity. The expiration time is 2 minutes and I'm opening a short trade for $2,000. The chart shows a steady downward movement and the indicators fully confirm the current trend. I'm entering with confidence as all signals point to a continuation of the downward movement. The chart shows a large red candle, which is an excellent additional factor confirming the strength of the current trend. Such candles usually indicate a continuation of the decline, and given the current dynamics, I think the downward movement will continue. All factors, including candlestick analysis and indicators, support this forecast, which increases confidence in a positive outcome. Excellent result, plus another $1,840, and the balance is already $5,190. Well, let's sum up the results. I increased my balance from $590 to $5,190, which is an excellent result. Friends, if you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, feel free to write to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. Well, thank you very much for watching this video, liking and subscribing to the channel. See you soon and happy trading!